This video shows how to take apart and replace the screen on our HTC 8525 cell phone. The first thing to do is remove the battery and the SIM card if not already removed. Next, using a Torx screwdriver, remove the 4 screws as being shown here in the video. Once the 4 screws have been removed, using a safe pry tool available on repairsuniverse.com, slide this along the edge of the phone as being shown here in the video to release the clips, allowing you to remove the back piece from the phone. Once all the clips have been released, you can remove this back piece, allowing access to the phone motherboard. The next step is to release the ribbon connector which is attached to the motherboard. Do this by using a safe pry tool to gently pry the pop connector off. Then carefully lift the motherboard from the case. Be careful as it's still connected underneath with another ribbon which needs to be released. Release this ribbon using the safe pry tool in a similar fashion to the one you just released. Once this one has been disconnected, you can now remove the motherboard. Once the motherboard has been removed, you will see 4 small screws as being shown here in the video. These 4 screws all need to be removed. Once the screws have been removed, you can remove the next layer from the phone. Be careful of the ribbon whilst doing this. Next, you need to remove the 4 screws as being shown here in the video. Once the screws have been removed, using a safe pry tool, run this along the sides and top and bottom of the phone, releasing all the clips, allowing you to remove the next layer from the phone. Be careful again when removing so you don't pull on the ribbon cable. Next, using the safe pry tool again, release the ribbon pop connector at the bottom of the phone. Also, using the safe pry tool, release the jaw holding in the ribbon cable for the LCD screen. Using a small screwdriver, remove the small screw from the top of the phone as being shown here in the video. Once the screw has been removed, you will be able to remove the backing as shown here in the video. Next, you'll be able to carefully pull out the LCD screen and then release the LCD screen ribbon from the jaw connector which you have already released. The LCD screen is now ready to be replaced.